In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix an unknown error occurred on Roblox while logging in. So first thing first, make sure that you open your application. And once done, make sure that you type in your credentials correctly. For instance, if you are used to typing your email address and phone number while signing in, you have to do the same thing today as well. Now, if your credentials are correct and you are still not being able to sign in, you have to reset your password. For that, you have to type in your username first, or simply tap on Forgot Password or Username just below Quick Sign In. This will lead you to a page like this. Here you have to type in your email address and then tap on Submit. If you are used to logging in via your phone number, tap on Phone here, type in your phone number, tap Continue. Now it says that email with instructions has been sent to you if the email was previously saved on your account, meaning that your email address, which is associated with your Roblox account, will get an instruction to reset the password. So make sure that you open the email that is associated with your Roblox account, and you will get an email like this. You have to tap on Reset Password. It will take you to another site, and then you have to simply create yourself a new password. Confirm your new password at the second box. Do not use an old password. Make sure that your password is strong, then tap Submit. And likewise, simply go ahead, launch your Roblox again, and re-log into your account using a new password. Just like so, guys, this is how you can fix your problem.